Hi everybody, welcome to John Creator and JCH Studio. Today we are going to design one more plate model with flowers and background designs and with glossy finish. If you are very new to the channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click a bell icon to get your new videos. And if you are new to the 3D modeling, see my older videos. Let's begin. Now create a plane circle, go to the top view and S to scale it up and press Ctrl A and apply a scale. Go to edit mode and vertices selection, press 1 on the for vertices. Now after doing this, so we can press E to extrude and S to scale. Go to the top view, okay, to scale, and GZ to move down. And E to extrude and S to scale, and E to extrude and S to scale, and E to extrude and S to scale, and M merge at center. Now select these vertices and make it GZ to move slightly down, and select this one and GZ to move little bit upper, and press Ctrl B to make some bevels. Let it shade smooth, and press Ctrl 3 to make it smoother. So now I have made this plate, and we can give some more detailing for this. I am going to select this everything, press select center and plus Ctrl plus to select everything, and GZ to move down. Okay, now looks little better. This one I am going to make it little more, give edges to make it sharp for that look, and select these edges and GZ to move little bit upper. Now here in this bottom I am going to create one more circle here, and I am going to add some loop cuts here, and let's see how it looks. It doesn't look good. Okay, so I just undo it. I press Ctrl R and scale it slightly like this and see how it looks. Even this also looks bad. I create one circle and leave how it looks. Okay, still feels bad. So what we can do is we can create a separate piece for the bottom. I am going to this one and press GZ to move little bit curve and see how it looks. Okay, not bad. I just undo it. Okay, now looks better. Fine. So in bottom what we can do is we can do some more designs for this, for the bottom. I will guide you how. Go to the add modifier and select the solidify and even thickness, make it not 2 centimeter, more thickness is required. Right click, shade smooth, go to the here and triangle and select the auto smooth. So now it looks better, but the corner is looking very sharper. It doesn't good for us. Now I just make it to the smooth bottom. Now looks better, but still I feel need to solve this issue. So I press Ctrl A to apply a solidify, go to edit mode. Now you can able to see we have some two thickness. I go to the wireframe, we can able to see there is two layers came here. Go to the edge selection, select these two edges, press Ctrl B and make it bevels. So now still I feel it's too hard. I press Ctrl B and make the bevels like this. Now the corner has came smooth. So bottom, what we are going to do is we are going to give some different here. I select this and yes to scale and press Ctrl B to bevel, create two edge loops here, press Ctrl minus to select the in between and E to extrude in Z axis. So now we can able to see we have got some thickness shape to keep the plates in bottom, and here also I am going to make some bevel to make this corner more sharper. So we have the some bottom cool bottom here to make it better way, and now our plate has been completed and we are going to do the texturing and modeling. I save this file as plate. Now after doing this you have to unwrap the object. I press Ctrl Z to make it a little bit upper. So we need to unwrap that. Go to edit mode, select these edges, corner edges. You can able to see everything circle has been selected, and press Ctrl E and mark seam. You can add a shortcut for this. Right click, add a assign shortcut. I make it F5 to assign and assign shortcut F6 to clear. Now I press F5 to mark seam. Now this bottom also we can make it different way. So bottom is not required much concentrated, but even though we can give separate thing here. Press F5 to mark seam. So this will come, everything will come separate. So I select everything, go to UV editing and press U to unwrap it. Now you can able to see which has been unwrapped. Press this synchronize tool in the top and I go to the face selection. I select the top face, I press Ctrl L. So this is the top face which is required. We are going to do the texturing on this. And the similar way the bottom we are not going to use now. So I am going to select these items and I am going to press Ctrl L to select the linked one and press S to scale, and I am going to take it out from the our normal textured map. I press Ctrl L and G to move in center and S to scale. So this is the way I am going to keep, and I am going to select UV and export UV, and I am going to the layout. I am going to give it as plate, export the plates UV. Now I go to the GIMP tool. So here I am already downloaded the images for the textures. I am going to use the same. Before that I press Ctrl N and I make it 1080 by 1080, and background is black is not required for timing. I just unselect it. Open as layer. I am going to image, open the file. Okay. Sorry for the delay. I'm just searching the files. YouTube Blender models process. Here textures, plate, plate model 1, and okay, I select this. just skip. Okay, actually not this one. I go to the openness layer. Yeah, I got it, the texture what I'm required. So now this texture has been came, and I'm going to scale it down this. So I have given the link related to this GIMP software, so you can do it whenever required as per your requirement. So it's free software only, you can make it down. Okay, I just apply for timing. Okay, because of that file size is little huge, so it's getting taken time. So now I open a layer, one more layer, which is the required for us is a I'm going to add this, add plate, not plate, sorry, textures only for us required, textures. Now here I am going to add the layout. I'm going to add this. Okay, just select the layout and add. Okay, it's came in shortcut now. So this is the layout I have designed for the plate. So this layout size we can assign as per our requirement these designs. Okay, I'm going to make this flowers more in the corner. I go to the scaling tool, I select the image and I select this, and before that I just make it this one down, so which will be easier for us to modify. I just make it small. Okay, after doing this, go to the move tool and move the file. Okay, now I'm just moving. Okay, fine. Now this texture is enough. I'm going to give balance which has been missed. I'm going to give it a white background, so black is not required for us. I'm going to the white paint is already selected. I'm going to the paint tool and I'm going to make it the same. But here you can able to see that color is getting difference, which is pure white and the milky white. So I'm going to select this paint tool and select the painter. I'm going to select this, click OK. Again I'm going to paint, but doesn't look much different, so we have to modify this once again. Select the tool and select the paint. So I just select this one and try it out once again, the painting, but painting is not matched. Okay, fine. So I can do one thing. I have one more idea to solve this. I will guide you what need to be done, like this cases. Okay, I'm going to unselect the plate. I'm going to export as, and I go to the layout and stay out and textures, plate 1. Here I'm going to give it as modified model 1. I'm going to give, so which is has been textured. So dot png and export it. Now it has been came. Now I go to the software and going to the shading tool. Now here I'm going to click new layer material and I'm going to search for shift A to the menu and I go for searching the image texture. Select the image texture, open the image texture where we have kept. Okay, layout I go for the background. Here I am not added the textures. Add it. Now I just drag it down, which is not required much. So I am selected the texture what is required for us, and I am going to collect the base color. So now you can able to see the texture has came correct. So which looks for me is better, but still we are going to do give some more realistic design. I go to the layout and go to the material preview, and here you can able to see it doesn't look good. It just apply the textures. Now what we can do for this, now go to the material tool and I go for the roughness. I'm going to reduce the roughness to the shining. You can able to see now this plate looks very cool and shine. So I hope you can able to see that. So this is the cool design which is looks more better, and I'm going to reduce the roughness. Still okay, it's already 0, so make it full shiny look. So this is the end of the tutorial, and I will get this is the plate we have designed. Let's see it in next video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Bye bye.